Appreciation Week, and leadership has some ways for us to thank our bus drivers for all they do.
Tuesday is Thankful Tuesday. Be sure to say thank you as you get on and off the bus.
And Wednesday, we're having a banner in the breezeway where you can go sign and thank your bus drivers for all they do.
Thank you!
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my love Notari in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt.
Good morning, Patriots. I'm Cedric, and here are your morning announcements. There are lots of important information, so listen up. Grab your pen and pencil and write down these important dates. Makeup Picture Day is Monday, October 27th. If you haven't taken a picture yet, do it. Yearbooks are on sale. You can pre-order your yearbook starting today and get an early discount price of $70. It'll be $80 if you wait until December 21st. Buy your yearbook now by going to www.yearbookforever.com and entering our school name. Avid is sponsoring a sock drive in honor of Socktober. Socks will be collected from October 15th to October 31st and donating them to Haven House. Please, no socks after the 31st. Please bring new and unused socks to donate to room 268. Donations will be accepted in front of the SCA office during chat. We hope to collect 2,000 pairs of socks for kids, teens, and adults. Fun socks for teens will be especially appreciated. German Club members and German Honor Society members, this Wednesday is German Day, and during chat we are celebrating Oktoberfest. Sign up in your German class or in room 121. Prizes will be given out for the best German outfit/colors. Come by and pay your dues if you haven't yet by Wednesday at chat so that you can participate. We look forward to seeing you at chat on Wednesday. This week is Stop One Save One week. Monday is Random Acts of Kindness. Tuesday, you can buy Stop One Save One shirts for $10 and pledge for no social media during lunch. Commit to no social media for a whole day and receive a thumb ring. Wednesday, you can paint your hand on the Stop One Save One wall, and Thursday is Blue Out. Wear your Stop One Save One shirt. The marching band did get Superior, which is the highest score at states this past weekend at MHS. But come join all the seniors in the marching band at their last competition at their high school career. The competition is at Powhatan, and the band will be performing at 9:30, so come out and support them at the competition, and don't forget about the football game at home this Friday. Next week is Fall Spirit Week. Here's the dress code. Magical Monday, Twin Tuesday, Wacky and Wild Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, dress as your favorite historical character, and Freaky Costume Friday. Get in the spirit and dress it up. It's Powder Puff football time. Come by the SCA window in the cafeteria to pick up your Powder Puff football form. Powder Puff football is for girls only, and the teams are separated by grade. There are only 28 spots on the team, so turn in your form and money to the SCA office ASAP if you plan on playing. The cost is $15 per player, and shirts will be provided. Powder Puff will take place on the AHS turf field on November 13th from 7 to 9. See you there. Attention any girls interested in trying out for the tennis this spring. We will be holding optional workouts heading over the next 3 weeks, weather permitting. Just come to the course after school on Mondays and Thursdays until 5:20. Remember, you need an active physical on file in athletics to take part. If you have any questions, stop by room 141. This is Chemistry Week. Mr. Faraba and his chemistry students are checking in. That's all for now. Have a great day.